This is again a short video to showcase the output of my Valveking, Peavey Valveking 212, and there appeared to be a small, a minor problem, a loose contact I believe in the input, but I put it on the bench here and it appears to be working well. I haven't removed the PCB yet. I just thought let me check the output, and I am feeding a 1 kHz signal into input 1, and it is in clean channel, and that's the bottom. It's on standby and connected to a dummy load. It's a heavy duty dummy load, 8 ohm, and I have set the output speaker output to 8 ohms. Let us just check that out. And as I increase the output, you can see it's clean, and I measured it at about, I think, 65 watts approximately. I measured the voltage, and at about 65 watts in the clean channel, up to 65 watts it's clean, and beyond that you can see that there's some amount of distortion, which is probably a favorable distortion, and so that's typically the output, about 65-68 watts clean channel. And I'll just switch over to the lead, and so it's already at maximum volume, and as you can see, just if I touch it a little bit, it goes to the maximum, and that looks good. And you can see the harmonic distortion there. There is no crossover distortion here. That's good. And harmonic distortion, so maximum output, it goes to about 100 watts in the lead channel. So that's one. Yesterday while checking, I turned all the gains to the maximum, and it started oscillating at maximum, total maximum gain in the lead channel, and the maximum power I could see was about 125 watts. But that's not a good thing. You should never exceed, because then not only the tubes will heat up, but even the transformer may not be able to supply that kind of current for long periods, and it's not a good thing. But then just for a few moments I did that purposely to check what the maximum output would be to see the life of the tubes, and it was about 125 watts. But you should never, I don't suggest that you do that. So it is quite safe, about 60-68 watts on the clean channel, and 100 watts maximum on the lead channel, high gain channel. So this is my Peavey Valveking 212. It's outside the cabinet at the moment. Pretty clean. I picked it up used, but there were no signs of actually heavy usage except for this loose contact here in this. But even that seems to be okay now. I haven't done anything really. Sorry about the bad video. And as you can see, the output, I just wiggle this, nothing happens. The output is still there. So that's the Valveking 212 on a dummy load here. It's a heavy duty dummy load, and it's an old scope. The reason I'm using this old scope is because it has up to 50 volts per division on the y-axis, whereas the newer and modern, I won't say very new, that's a digital storage scope. It's a 5 volts per division is the maximum, and here is one Tektronix that's also 5 volts per division. And the 1 kHz signal, as usual, I'm feeding it from my good old Fox Tango 101 Zulu Delta. It's an HF transceiver, and I have the marker on, and the beat is 1 kHz now. So that's the input I'm feeding here. Alright, thank you very much for watching this short video. Bye bye.